Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, having regained confidence after earlier this week the Reserve Bank of Australia unexpected decision to keep rates on hold at 3.85%, the US dollar was directionless at 97.40 after Thursday's US economic data showed weekly initial jobless claims fell to 227,000, the lowest in 7 weeks, which boosted confidence in the labour market. Along with that, on Wednesday's Fed minutes revealed most officials are hesitant to cut rates soon, citing uncertainty over tariff-driven inflation. So looking at the technicals, this level's still a little bit stubborn around 66 figure 15, but I still anticipate that the market will eventually break through this level. But keep an eye on this RSI as we could see another top side rejection if retested, because I would like to see the MACD a little bit stronger to overcome this 66 figure 15 and move on towards 66.65. Nevertheless, 60-day simple moving average is rising along with the upward movement and it now sits around 64.5070. But overall, I still feel the bulls are in control. Turning to the euro, it was a little bit weaker against the US dollar on Thursday, reaching a 2-week low near around the support level of 116.70, and we are currently still trading there. I do feel though bulls are likely to, all bargain hunters will return near this trend line, which as you can see here is close towards the region of 115.5 to 115.70. But I don't think the market's going to get that low, and I feel the dollar index is getting a little bit to the high side of its range around 97.5, and that would mean a further correction in the downturn for the dollar and see a rebound and eventually see the euro tackle the 118 to 119 region. A little bit more confidence when it comes back into dollar yen as it now pushes closer to the bull trap area. I always find the market's a bit stubborn and it continues to press on to the top side until initially it gets caught in a trap, and then we see that sudden downturn as the market panics as supply increases. Nevertheless, let's see how the market plays out into today and see if it does find a bull trap above 147. Sterling a little bit weaker, but getting closer towards this support line, which is anywhere from around 135.5 to 134.80. We're getting a little bit low on the RSI, so I do anticipate a rebound soon and eventually look back to 137. Wrapping up with commodities, we can see that the 3 days of bullishness is still playing in its favour for gold as the market rises now towards the region, potentially at 3,350. Reassess from there. Like the way this MACD is also shaping up, and therefore could see a power on back to 3,400. So any pullback should be limited. And wrapping up with oil, we can see that the market displayed further supply when it comes to that recent challenge at $68 a barrel. And from there, could see a little bit of a weaker play as profit taking increases, but may find support around 64.5. And let's see if the market can rebound around there and retest the top side. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look at the interest report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.